Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to change the agency logo for a specific subaccount in GoHighLevel. This is useful for customizing branding per client, so each subaccount reflects its own identity instead of the default agency branding. From the GoHighLevel dashboard, we need to click the Click Here to Switch button. If you already have your subaccount listed, just click it to switch over, and then head to your settings. Under Settings, you'll find the business profile. All we need to do here is upload a logo. Just click Upload and select the image you want to use as your logo. Once that's done, the new logo will appear on your subaccount. This updates the subaccount logo across GoHighLevel. And that's all it takes to update the agency logo for a specific subaccount in GoHighLevel. Each account can now have its own personalized and professional look.